Hey everyone, welcome back to day 3 of the 7-day workout challenge. I am so excited to have you back. Today we're gonna focus on abs, one of our favorites, so let's hop right into it. We're gonna start off with a little bit of stretch of that core of that upper body. So start with a slight bend in those heels, feet are hip wide apart. Roll those shoulder blades back, the arms are in front. Take a big step with that right leg and then slowly extend those arms long to the ceiling and really feel that stretch in your chest, in that core, and then we're stepping in and doing this a couple times, just warming up that body, warming up that core right there. We often forget to stretch in between the work what we're doing, even though it really benefits all those muscles. It helps with toning, with lengthening, and open up that chest. And one more time, and we're switching to the other side. So all the weight on the right side of the body, take a deep inhale, step back with the left, and open up that chest. Big step back, open up that chest. And one more time. Great job. And shake it out. And we're gonna go straight to the mat. Come onto or all fours. Reach the left leg out and reach the right leg out. We're holding here into a plank position. The hips are nice and neutral and really squeeze those abdominals, squeeze those legs together and just hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The hips come up and back to a plank. A little bit more dynamic, just warming up that body. Use that core. Reach the hips up and down for 6, 5, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Reach the left knee to that right elbow and then the right knee to that left elbow. So opposite arm, opposite elbow. Just into these slow mountain climbers for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come onto the elbows, feet come together, your arms are parallel next to each other, almost in an 11. Hips are neutral, we're just holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dip the left hip to the ground, dip the right hip to the ground. So we're sliding from one side to the other for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the knees to the ground. Come into a quick little child's pose. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And come back to your all fours. Roll the shoulder blades back. Now I want you to place that right arm on that neck and take a deep inhale and open up that chest. Use that core to drive you through the motion. We're slowly coming back in and back open. Focus on that breath for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, use that core, 3, 2, and 1, and come back to your all fours. Come to the other side. Bring that left arm behind the neck. Take a deep inhale. Then open up that chest and use that core while you're moving down. This is a stretch, but also a core strengthening work exercise. Focus on that breath. Open up and slowly come back down for 6, 5, 4, 3, great job, 2, and 1. Come back and roll those shoulders back. We are gonna come to our back. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Place that left leg on top of the right, and those arms come behind the neck. Elbows are nice and wide. Take a deep inhale through the nose. On the exhale, we're rotating that upper body so that right armpit comes to the left knee, and slowly open up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And lower down and switch to the other side. Bring that right leg on top of the left. Bring it into a tabletop. Take a deep inhale through the nose. On the exhale, the head, neck, and shoulders come off to the ground. Rotate that upper body so that left armpit reaches toward that right knee. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly lower down. Bring those arms to the ceiling. Take a deep inhale. Head, neck, or shoulders come off to the ground. We're hovering a little bit off to the ground and reaching from the left to the right. Coming to those side reaches for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly reach the arms down. Take the right knee into tabletop, take the left knee into tabletop. Now take a deep inhale through the nose. I want you to extend the right arm and the left leg long, and switch. So opposite arm, opposite leg, and really press that back into the ground while you're reaching that leg and that arm. Feel that extension, feel that whole core activating right here. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And come back to the middle. Now I want you to place that right leg on top of the left and come into an eagle right here. That right arm also comes on top, so we're almost like strangled into each other. And then slowly we're reaching the arms and legs down and slowly coming back in. This is really going to give that ab a burn right here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release slowly. Bring those legs underneath that butt. Reach those legs up to the sky. Now we're slowly going down with flexed toes and point toes come up. So flex to lower and point up. Flex to lower and point up. 6, 5, 4. The arms underneath your butt give a little extra support. 3. Using those lower abdominals. 2, and 1. Hold it down here. Tiny little scissors for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly lower down. Bring the knees in. Again, reach those arms up to the sky. Bring the right knee in, bring the left knee in. We're switching the sides, so the left leg comes on top of the right. Tuck your toe underneath. The left arm comes on top of the right. And strangle together. Now, same thing, slowly lower down and come back in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly untuck. Come onto your elbows. Your fingertips are facing towards your butt. Your chest is nice, wide, and open. Bring that right knee to tabletop. Bring that left knee to tabletop. We're extending that left leg long, hovering a couple inches off to the ground, and switch. Feel that nice extension into that leg. Squeeze that core. I don't want you to take this exercise out of your hips, but really activate that core. Think about that mind to muscle connection here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're going a little bit faster. We barely do this with our low impact workouts, but here we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the knees in and roll a couple times. Roll like a ball right here. Knees are wide, toes and ankles are together. Just rolling a couple times like a ball, stretching that spine. Use that core to drive you up and down. And great job. Sit up here. Coming into a couple of side planks, really using that side, waist, core, abdominals, everything targeting to here today. So place that left elbow onto the ground, that right knee comes in front of the left one, and reach that arm up to the sky. Coming into our hip dips right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, slow and controlled, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tiny little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come over to our elbows right here. Find that neutral spine, shoulders are wide. I want you to bring that right knee to that right elbow into those spiders and to the left for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're rolling straight to the other side, so that left arm extends long, that left foot comes in front of the right, and slowly coming into those deep hip dips, slow and controlled for 8. Core is tight, open up that chest, neck is relaxed, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms comes on the hip, tiny little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And roll over, coming into that final plank right here. We're holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. After this, we're coming into those shoulder shifts right here, so we're almost there. 2 and 1, 10 times for 10. Into that saw. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those knees onto the ground. Roll those shoulders back. Come into this deep child's pose. Let those shoulders stretch. Let that core stretch and take a deep inhale. And exhale out. Great job. Come over to our back. And bring the left knee in. Let it fall over to the right and look over to the left while your arms are in this wide T. And just hold this stretch for a little bit. I want you to really sink in. And every time you're taking a deep breath, inhale through the nose, and on the exhale, you let all that energy go. Really release every muscle and feel that deep stretch right here. And we're switching to the other side. Come back through the middle. The right knee comes towards the chest and let it fall over to the left. Look over to the right. Feel that nice stretch into that upper body. You guys killed it for today. I know that 15 minutes core is always long, but you did an amazing job. And if you need to find any modifications throughout the workout, really feel free to modify wherever you need. And roll over to your left side, press yourself up, bring those knees in, roll those shoulders back. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale through the nose. Let everything go on the exhale out. We're taking one more deep breath. Inhale through the nose. And let everything go on the exhale out. Open up those eyes. I'm so thankful for you joining today. I will hopefully see you tomorrow.